Hello friends, today we had our LDS 1 booking for the year 2025 and I have given the video before how to book it, and in many groups I've shared voice messages. So following that, I am going to show you a live demonstration for one of my junior doctors booking, how I did it, what I went through the course of time, and you will really appreciate this video. Please watch it fully. So first thing I did was at around 8:58 I started seeing how it was going. So it was telling me it takes around 3 minutes. You can see there, sales start in 3 minutes. So I tried to just keep going back to the previous page, and I was just waiting for a couple of time. So the video is slightly running faster for demonstration. So what I did is, again I went and I was just checking the same page. The most important thing will come now. When I was booking, you can just see. So it was like 3 minutes for me. I was just waiting like this. It was terrible to wait for the booking. Then a few moments later, I again went and checked the details. Now you could see from 3 minutes it became 2 minutes. Then I tried to click it, nothing happened. Then I refreshed the page again on the top. Just now you would have seen. So I just saw the refresh page and nothing happened, and it says to wait for 2 more minutes. Then now it became 1 minute. You can see sales start in 1 minute, a minute. So here if you see, I found there is a problem. My login was not visible. I refreshed and saw still it was telling to log in. So I thought I was logged out. Then I tried doing login again and again, nothing happened. So I was slightly panicking at this point what to do. Then I tried the register, nothing happened. Then I was keep on refreshing. It said now from 1 minute it became few seconds. Hope you could see. Then I wanted to log in and book. Then I tried sign up, log in, nothing was working. So this is the point when the opening started. Actually it says again starting in few seconds. Then I tried registering, nothing happened. Then again I refreshed. Now the booking has started. Actually you could see nothing is working here. So I just refreshed the page, the whole page on the top. Then I put the details. Now I could see one there, and I started the register button, and I typed the name of the candidate and the email address and registered, and immediately everything got well. And they asked me to give the contact ID number and the date of birth. So after I did that, it became then I completed the order. So this is where now I got the ticket. So this will be a confirmation that I have expressed my interest for sure. So now you see, I'm just thinking what to do. So now my tickets are done. I went and checked my email. My friend, my junior, she checked the email. Everything is fine. So I was just waiting for the waiting to see what happens here. So there are two things which happened. One thing is, when I tried going back to see what happened, the event got full. You can see, I just exit this and see. I went to see what happening inside. The event became currently unavailable. So once that is done, again I could see a join waitlist button. So for people who didn't get it, they have to click this join waitlist was working. So those who have enrolled this join waitlist, they will be called for if somebody who has got the confirmed ticket is not paying money to RCS website. So you can see here the join waitlist is the only thing which will be available for this link now. So do it and wait for your time, and luckily you might get a seat. So this is how it was for me. So the whole process got over in just 1.5 minutes. Thank you. Hello friends, hope this demonstration of how to book might be helpful for the next time. So I thought I will share it to you all So if you like this video, please put your doubts and you share this video to as many people as possible. Also, don't get discouraged with this. There is a plan, bigger plan, and these are all part of this bigger plan. Okay, so even if you don't get it, just keep moving on, keep studying, and wait for the good news. Maybe you might get worried. Don't get disheartened. And I would request all of you to stay motivated and believe in God, and God will really bless you if you really wait upon Him. Okay, don't worry, don't get discouraged. I understand it's so painful to get disappointed. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't compare your destiny with others. Stay motivated, and this channel is going to help a lot of people from now on various things. Also, we are planning to start a focus study group for LDS 1 and 2. If you're interested, please contact us. The number is in the description. We are always here to help you. Thank you.